Hello, friends. Welcome to my math lesson for today. We are going to continue to work on making number bonds and number sentences and explore part, whole relationships. And today we are going to focus on the number 9. But for our bell ringer or our warm-up, we are going to practice numbers up to 5 and think of different ways to make 5. So I have some dot cards here. All right, so let's look. How many dots do you see? 2. How many more do you need to make 5? 3. Can you tell me a number sentence? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good. And if you want to write the number sentences, you can do that too. I'll write the number sentence for the next one. Let's try this. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do you need to make 5? 1. So let's write our number sentence together. Okay, so we have 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good. Let's try another one. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more do you need to make 5? 0. That's right. So let's write our number sentence. We have 5 dots plus 0 equals 5. All right, very good. Let's try this one. How many dots do you see? 3. How many more do you need to make 5? 1, 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. And we have one more. How many dots do you see? 1. How many more do you need to make 5? 4. That's right. So let's make our number sentence. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Very good. And we're going to keep working on making number sentences today. But our number focus today is going to be 9. So I want you to listen to my story. Okay. Michael had 9 berries. 5 of the berries were strawberries, and 4 were blueberries. So I want you to draw his strawberries and blueberries. How many strawberries? 5. So let's draw the 5 strawberries. Oh, not the best drawer, but that's okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's draw the 4 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many how many berries did he have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, can we make a number bond to show the story? So remember what number goes in the hole? 9. What are the parts? What do we put in the other circles? We put how many strawberries and how many blueberries. So how many strawberries? 5. So I'm going to put the number there and the number there. How many blueberries? 4. And then I'm going to put it there. Now, can we make a number sentence about our story? I'm going to start with the whole. So let's write the whole first. And then I'm going to write my equal sign, because if you start with the whole, you use the equal sign after the whole, okay? So 9 equals, what does 9 equal? 5 and 4. Now there's another way that we can write this number sentence. We can start with the parts. So what are the parts? 5 and 4 equals 9. So how are those two number sentences different? This number sentence starts with the whole. This number sentence starts with the parts. So those are two different ways you can make the number sentences. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see. Camila had 6 beads for a necklace, and her friend gave her 3 more. So she had 9 beads all together. Can we draw a picture? So how many beads did Camila start with? She started with 6 beads. So we're going to draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then her friend gave her 3 more beads. 1, 2, 3. So how many beads did she have all together? You have 6, 7, 8, 9. So she had 9 beads all together. Let's make a number bond. So we put 9 And what numbers are the parts? 6 and 3. Now, can you make a number sentence that starts with the whole? So we're going to put the whole. Now, what numbers go in the blanks? The parts, that's right. 6 and 3. Now, let's make the number sentence a different way. So now we're going to start with the parts. 6 and 3 equals 9. Very good. Okay, now I want you to try one with a different total number. Can you draw 8 dots the math way? So the math way, or the 5 group way, I should say, the 5 group way is this. So you have 5 at the top and 3 at the bottom. So this is called the 5 group way because we have 5 at the top and any extra dots go on the bottom, okay? So now, let's make this into 2 groups. So I'm going to draw a line, the group on the top, the group on the bottom. Can you make your number bond? So what number is the whole? How many dots are all together? 8, that's right. How many dots are on the top? 5. And how many dots are on the bottom? 3. Very good. Now, let's make our number sentences. Can you start with the whole first? So 8 equals 5 and 3. Now let's try this. Now let's start with the parts. 5 and 3 equals 8. Very good. So for your practice set today, I want you to practice different ways to make 9. So you can tell stories to people in your home. So let's pretend that you had 9 animal toys. You had 9 animal toys. Some were lions and some were zebras. So can you make a story where you have 9 animal toys? Some are zebras, some are lions. And make a number sentence and a number bond about your story. All right, very good. And you can make a story about anything that you want, any objects that you want, but make sure the total number is 9. And practice different ways to make 9. All right, well, I hope you learned something in math today, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.